Friends, it's Mom and Me Fun Factory, and today we are going to explore places around us.
Let's see what cool places we can find together, Mom.
Yes, amazing. So, the first place is market.
Where people buy and sell goods.
Yes, markets are vibrant places where people buy and sell goods and ideas. They offer diverse products and serve as social hubs for communities. The next one is
Mall. Where people buy and sell goods.
similar to market. Malls are also vibrant places where people buy and sell goods. Now let us look at the next one.
A library where people read and learn our beautiful books.
Yes, libraries are vibrant places where people explore and exchange knowledge and ideas. And the next one is
A cinema where people watch a movie.
yes, cinema are vibrant places where people gather to watch films and share ideas. They offer diverse movies and serve as a social hub for communities. The next place is a florist.
Where people buy the beautiful flowers that are in our country.
Yes, florists are creative artists who design beautiful flower arrangements, providing a variety of blooms for special occasions and everyday life. The next one is a
Bookstore where people buy books and sell books.
yes, books are vibrant worlds where people explore and share ideas. They offer diverse stories and serve as cultural hubs for communities. The next one is
A beach where people swim and have a nice picnic.
yes, beaches are vibrant places where people explore and enjoy the beauty of the sea.
It's a restaurant where people buy beautiful, tummy full, happy foods.
Restaurants are lively venues where people come together to enjoy meals and connect with one another. They offer a variety of cuisines and serve as social hubs for communities. Now let us see the next one.
Where people buy rent a room.
This is called a hotel. Hotels are vibrant places where people stay and relax during their travels. They offer diverse amenities and serve as comfortable hubs for tourists and business travels alike. The next one is
Home where people live with their family.
yes, home is a lively space where gathering, sharing ideas, and connecting with family, providing comfort and diverse experiences as a central hub for community and personal life. Next one is a
Hospital where people get medical help.
yes, hospitals are vital institutes where people receive care and treatment for various health conditions.
It's a museum. Museum is where people see the art.
Yes, museums are vibrant places where people gather to explore art, history, and culture. They offer diverse exhibits and serve as educational hubs for the communities. Wasn't that awesome? We have learned so many places around us today.
See you tomorrow, friends. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.